What is annuity? Annuity is a long-term agreement between you and an insurance company that allows you to accumulate funds on a tax-deferred basis for later payout in the form of a guaranteed income that you cannot outlive. Trade and cash discount is referred to the discount that is offered by a seller to the buyer of the product in the form of reduction in the price of the item.
Suhana bought a car for RM125,000 with a 10% down payment. In order to settle the balance, she took a loan from a bank for 9 years with interest rate charge of 3.45% compounded monthly. A. Calculate the monthly payment and the total interest charge. B. If Suhana want to settle the loan in full amount immediately after paying for 7 years, how much will the amount should be paid? Now research A first. A equal 125,000 minus bracket 10% multiply 125,000 close bracket. The answer is RM112,500. Now we find monthly payment. The formula we use A equal R open big bracket 1 minus open new bracket 1 plus K per M close bracket power of negative MT divided K per M close big bracket. Then fill in the number into the formula. 112,500 equal R, we need to find R. Then fill in bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K 0.0345 per 12 close bracket power of negative 12 multiply 9 divided 0.0345 per 12. After filling the formula, we calculate in the bracket first and the answer is 97.7801 R, and we get R equal R and 1213.23. Then we find interest charge. Formula is I equal MPR minus A. M is 12, T is 9, R is 1213.23. Settle the MPR first, then minus A. So the answer is 18,528.84. Now we move to question 1b. We use formula A equal R open big bracket 1 minus open new bracket 1 plus K per M close bracket power of negative MT divided K per M close big bracket. In this question, we need to find A. A equal R is 1213.23. Bracket 1 minus new bracket 1 plus 0.0345 per 12 close bracket power of negative 12 multiply 2 divided 0.0345 per 12. Then calculate in the bracket first, we get 23.15858, then multiply with R is 1213.23. The answer A is RM2809.68.
We are at question 2. The question is, the list price of Xiaomi electric scooter is 1,449, including the transportation cost of 150. If his trade discount offer was 2%, find first, trade discount amount, and second, net price of the electronic drum. So we know that LP list price is 1,449 and the additional cost is 150 and the discount is 2%. So for the first one, we need to find trade discount amount using formula TD trade discount equal LP list price times discount D. So we put the list price, that is 1,449 times with 2% discount, but we change to point, so 0.02. So the answer of TD trade discount is 28 ringgit 98 sen. Now we need to find net price of the electronic drum. So we use formula NP equal LP open bracket 1 minus D close bracket plus additional cost AC. So we put list price 1,449 open bracket 1 minus 0.02, that was a discount, close bracket plus additional cost is 150. And the answer is 1,570 ringgit 2 sen. Question B. A trader received an invoice of 7,500 including transportation cost of 100, date 9 September 2022 with cash discount term of 5 per 15, 3 per 30 and N per 60. So we need to explain the cash discount terms of 5 per 15, 3 per 30 and N per 60. So number 2, we need to calculate the cash discount if the invoice is paid within 15 days of the date of the invoice. So what we need to do is 5 per 50 equal get 5% discount if paid within 15 days. For 3 per 30 equal get 3% discount if paid within 30 days, and N per 60 equal no cash discount within 60 days. So for the second question, we need to calculate the cash discount if the invoice is paid within 15 days of the date of the invoice. So we need to use formula net price equal list price open bracket 1 minus D close bracket plus AC additional cost. Okay, so the answer will be NP equal 7,500 open bracket 1 minus 0.05 plus 100, and the answer will be 7,225. So for the explanation why the discount be 0.05 is because in the question said invoice is paid within 15 days of the date of the invoice, and why we put 100 to be additional cost is because it say including transportation cost of 100. So after we find net price, that is 7,225, we need to find cash discount. So we need to use formula CD cash discount equal NP net price times D discount. So it will be 7,225, that is net price, times 0.05 following the equation within 15 days, and the answer is 361 ringgit 25 cent.
Question 1, part B. When Stephen was 10 years old, her mother deposited 100 at the end of every 3 months in an account that earned 10% compounded quarterly for the first 5 years of saving, and 15% compounded quarterly for the rest of period. What is the amount in the account and the total interest earned when Stephen was 18 years old? Her mother deposited 100, so that means it is R, which is credit payments. K is annual nominal rate, which is 10%. M is post, it's compounded quarterly. T is 5, which is period of time in yearly basis for the first 5 years. And then, K for the remaining years is 15%. M is 4 because it compounded quarterly, and T, we have to minus 18 years with 15 years to get the rest of period, which is 3 years. So we need to use the formula of annuity to get the accumulated value for the first 5 years, which is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus K per M, the power of M multiply T minus 1 divided K per M close bracket, and then multiply with 1 plus K per M, the power of M multiply T. Using the calculator, we will get RM 3,973.35 cents for the first 5 years of accumulated value. So we need to calculate the amount of accumulated value for the rest of period, which is R multiplied with open bracket 1 plus K per M, the power of M multiply T minus 1 divided by K per M. Then we get 100 multiplied to open bracket 1 plus 0.15 per 4, the power of 4 multiplied 3 minus 1 divided by 0.15 per 4. And then we get 100 multiplied to open bracket 1 plus 0.15 per 4, the power of 4 multiplied 3 minus 1 divided by 0.15 per 4. Using the calculator, we will get RM 1481.21 for after we added the amount for the first 5 years. And the rest of period, we will get the total of accumulated value, which is RM 5454.56. So we need to find the total interest. So we have to use the formula I equals S minus MTR, which is S is 5454.56 minus 4 multiply 8 multiply 100. So the final answer of the total interest is RM 2254.56.
On 24 June 2020, Kedai Bunga Zuha bought 50 units of fiberglass flower pot at the listed price of 179 per unit. The transportation and insurance charge stated in the invoice was 550. The company was given series of trade discount of 4%, 6.5% and 8% and was offered cash discount term. A. Determine the single discount rate that is equivalent to the trade discount given. As you can see here, we need to use trade discount formula. D equal 1 minus bracket 1 minus D1, bracket 1 minus D2, bracket 1 minus D3. So the answer is D equals 17.42%. For B question, calculate the net price for each unit of the fiberglass flower pot. So we need to use net price formula. NP equal LP, bracket 1 minus D1, bracket 1 minus D2, bracket 1 minus D3. So the final answer is NP equal RM 147 ringgit 82 cents. For the question C, calculate the amount of cash discount for each unit of the fiberglass flower pot if payment is made on 10 July 2020. So formula we use is cash discount equal MP times DC. So cash discount equal 147 ringgit 82 cents times 0.02. Then the answer is RM 2 ringgit 96 cents. For the exact time is 16 days. So the last question is D. Calculate the amount of payment if the shop paid the invoice on 10 July 2020. For this question, we need to use payment formula. Payment equal LP minus TD minus CD plus OE. For LP equal 179 times 50 equal RM 8,950. So after do the calculation, then you will get RM 7,593 ringgit 2 cents.